What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos, and we got Vic acting like he's working over here, huh? Good morning, Vic. It's Monday. Where are you? There you are. Buddy, how was your weekend?
Alright.
It was good? Alright, that's good. Well, guys, we got a busy day so far. It is bright and early in the morning. It's just me and Vic here right now. The crew gets here at 9. We're pulling the early shift because we got tons and tons of orders that were pretty much put in Thursday, Friday morning, or Friday morning, I guess I should say. And well, today's the day we got to pull them and fulfill them, and Vic is on it. Vic doesn't even know how to read and write, but he's
Just acting.
yeah, he's drawing circles and stars on there and check marks. So we got a kit here. We got a kit there, we got a kit here, we got a kit here, we got a kit here. How many more you got to pull?
I don't even know how many.
So we have paperwork just lined up on the counter right now. This is what he's pulled so far. Yeah, Mondays are always crazy here. And then so far, got a set of track bars coming up right here. And right here. These things are massive, massive, massive. So these are for a Denali, for a 2500 Denali. These are traction bars. They're going to connect to this frame, to the rear end, if you guys don't know what this is. And it is multi-layered. So if you guys see, it has multi-layered built in. And well, this has been a project I've been kind of working off on the side, which I finally getting to. Well, I kind of had no choice to get. Because the show is literally, let's see, today's Monday. We leave to Utah, or I leave to Utah Thursday morning. So that's going to be a whole film in itself, a whole video in itself, actually probably multiple videos. I'm going to try to film day by day when we go out there. That way you guys can kind of see a little behind the scenes of what, you know, what we do on our spare time. I'm actually going out there to help a good buddy, Ferns Barbecue. He is an official vendor for Flogfest in Hurricane, Utah. They're having a massive truck show out there, so we're going out there. We're supporting. Ryan from Work For is going to be out there. If you guys don't know who Ryan is, make sure you guys go onto his page, DMAX Rhino, on YouTube, Instagram, every social media platform. He has it. He got it. So we're going to be going out there. I'll be officially working in the Ferns Barbecue booth, doing some cooking, serving, stuff like that. So, and then on top of that, we're going to be obviously taking the trucks out, which I don't have a truck anymore. Well, technically I have multiple trucks, but nothing that's show quality worth. And over here he's shaking his head.
Too many projects.
Yeah, there's a lot of projects, but nothing's done, all right? And if you guys obviously watch the videos, you guys see things here are busy, busy, busy. So we never, you know, physically get to work on our own stuff, which sucks, but it is what it is. So we're going to be driving out that old thing. Yeah, it's old. It's 01. It's almost 20 years old. So we're going to be driving that old piece of crap out there. We're going to see if it makes it. Hopefully it makes it, because I'm going to have my wife and my daughter in there, so it better freaking make it. This is going to be his true test. Oh my God, I had a lisp right there. True test on this truck to see what's going on with it. I just replaced carrier bearing. Me and Vic just replaced it the other morning. That was shot on there. Oil change has been checked and been done. Fresh tires on there. I wanted to get the AC service before we go out there because it blows cold, but it's kind of it's not. I mean, I think I'm comparing it to a brand new truck, that's why. But other than that, it's not bad. But we're gonna do. There's a whole bunch of things we gotta do. The truck also doesn't have Bluetooth, which freaking blows. It's funny because I jumped in and I was like, "What the heck? This thing got a cassette player in here?" I don't know. I forget how old this truck really is. So it is a 01. But we're gonna try to update it with a head unit, hopefully some speakers. I got some stuff laying around here. I got plenty of stuff laying around here. I just don't know if it's gonna happen in time because the track bars for the Denali right here, he is supposed to be on his way later today to drop off the truck. That's gonna be something I'm gonna be doing after hours. Again, this is kind of like one of the side things. So yeah, it's just a lot going on, guys. Looks like a big delivery showing up. Ready, Vic? Eat your Wheaties. Vic's on a roll today, huh, buddy?
Monday.
Our guard lion over here eating some lunch. Hey guard lion. What's up, buddy? What you got there? Some pizza? What should we name him?
Tony the Tiger.
Tony the Tiger. Tony, how you liking that pizza, Tony? We officially got a name for the tiger. Tony the Tiger. We'll see if he keeps it. Let's see if he stays around. I'm sure he's gonna stay around. Charlie keeps feeding him, so I'm sure he's gonna be here. And I'm driving down the street right now. Look who I spot. The official Miss_Nunez. Who dat? Well, the day has pretty much came to an end a long time ago. As you guys can see, it's pretty much dark outside. The crew's pretty much all gone now, but we're doing some after-hours stuff. We got a show coming up, like I mentioned before, so I got to get these bad boys on right here. I know it reads backwards right now, but it does say Denali in it normal. So we're working on the truck. The bad part, these things are freaking heavy. So I'm having to use like 2 jacks and a whole bunch of pieces of wood and stuff, but here we go. So got the first bracket all mounted up. Had a really tight clearance because the amp steps and everything. The bracket sits, I know it's kind of dark guys, but the bracket sits right behind the main bracket for the track bar. So this one is pretty much in here. I'm working to get the back bracket, but I'm gonna just tack both sides up. That way we can get them weld squared up and everything. So it's just a mission right now because I'm doing it by myself. And I'm sweating. It is hot. Hot. Gotta keep pushing. Yeah, to be continued. Whew, what a rough night, but as you can see, they're officially done. And there he goes, taking off. Time to prep for a flog fest. Time to go home. About time you're working.
Every day.
So guys, last night I kind of forgot to continue the video. You guys will see I was working on the track bars. It was a very late night last night. I got home right around 12 o'clock. So kind of forgot to film. I was running out of time. I was by myself and trying to lift those bars up. It was nearly impossible anyways. But they are on. Yeah, those things came out sick. They came out super sick. So now we have like one day. I say we, but Jay has one day to get those done, powder coated, assembled back on the car or the truck. Then we leave out to Utah. Tonight I'm gonna go visit a buddy I haven't seen in a long time. I'm gonna take you guys there with me as well. He has some pretty cool stuff. You guys know who he is. Once I get there, you guys will know who he is. But we're gonna go over there. We're gonna check out some new stuff he has going, and yeah, we're gonna get some new work done for myself. So you got a lot of things going on. It's just been a little overwhelming with everything going on. The shop is tore up. It is a mess in here. I don't know. Art literally ordered 2 containers worth of product. We no longer have a showroom anymore. Take you guys back there. Yeah, we no longer have a showroom. Yep, I literally can't see over them. Parts and parts all over the place. This is double stacked. Yeah, more. Yeah. So now it's officially starting to turn into a warehouse because we're just running out of space. So as you guys can tell, things are busy. So I got about 4.5 hours of sleep last night. By the time I got back, or by the time I got home, came back over here this morning, get started. I literally fell asleep in my truck. So it's been a long day. It's gonna be 5 more long days after this. But the good part is I got those track bars done. Those have been a long time coming. I got a lot of orders for Y-bones. Vic's building them back there right now because we were very stocked up on, and then we sold out like instantaneously. So he's catching up on those. I got a lot of orders to weld and TIG up. As he's building them, then he's dropping them off over here. I'm welding them, and then he keeps building them, and we just go back and forth right now. Let me just finish up a 65 to 66 Impala wishbone right here. Just got it all welded up. Man, these things kick my butt every single time, but the finished product on these, man, they are just beautiful. Woo, it's been a hot day, guys. It's been a really hot day. Back here welding in the dungeon. 65 to 66 Impala wishbone going up. This one's gonna be going up, getting glued up right now. We got everything pretty much tacked together. Now it's just welding time. That's the fun part. Luckily the other part's already done, so let me show you guys that. That's the main rear end piece that gets bolted onto the rear end after you weld these two brackets to the rear end. So that's our 65 to 66 Impala kit. So guys, now I had to get a little washed up, cleaned up, change the shirt. Still got a Hoppa shirt on, but I gotta change the shirt. I'm gonna go see that buddy that I mentioned earlier that we're gonna go see. We're on the way right now. We're driving the good old work truck right now over there because obviously I left straight from work. So we're on our way. It's about an hour 15 from the shop. So we should be there right around 6 o'clock. So we're on our way and you'll see what we're up to right now. I guess you could figure out which house I'm going to, huh? Dang. Now this thing is massive in person. I've been waiting to see this thing. So that's what we came to do, guys. Get some extra work done over here, Dago Danes. So that was the buddy we're gonna come to see with the truck. Well, we are back to another day here. Last night, as you guys saw, I went over to Dago Danes. Got a small little piece done on my shoulder. He knocked that out for me. Again, always does amazing work, so never hesitate. Love that guy's work. So now we are taking the truck very far. Let me start this work truck real quick. Whoa, 6.0 raw power. You hear that? All right. Let's head over there. Oh, make sure the brake's off. All right, guys, you ready for a long journey? So we're gonna drop it off, get some work done. We're gonna do some oil change, trans swap, or not swap, but trans fluid swap. All right, we're here. We're done. Also gonna do some spark plug wires, rear end differential, oil swap out, new front brakes, new rear brakes, and check the AC, which AC is blowing nice and cold. But we're just gonna double check everything. This is gonna be the first long trip we're taking this on. And me personally, I just don't trust this truck yet. Not enough to make a 1,000-mile journey in it, but we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna drop it off right now, let them do some work, and we take off tomorrow morning. So let me go get the keys to them. Long journey all the way back to the shop. It's literally right across the way at PDR, so makes it nice and easy. And while we're moving right along on some frame kits, we got the first one started right here behind me. Then we got the guys over here working on getting some. You know how to use one of those? Huh? You know how to use one of those?
What?
That right there.
What?
The tape measure. You know how to use it?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, you get the 5, and if it's in between the 5 and the 6, you go 5 plus 6 minus 1, and brings you back to 6. You know that, right?
I have a calculator for it.
A calculator? You gotta screw with him. Besides, today's my Friday, so they gotta work tomorrow. Tomorrow at this time, we'll be on our way to Utah, to Hurricane, Utah, right by St. George, Utah. We got a truck show going on out there. I kind of mentioned it before in these videos. Obviously, if you guys follow along, you guys kind of know our little routine that we got going on here. Plus, on top of that, we got the truck over there at PDR getting worked on, getting some final touches before we head out, make the long journey. And in between there, we just got a lot of stuff to catch up on and try to get all these orders shipped before I take off. The guys are going to be here. They'll handle it for the rest of the days, but just trying to make it a little easier for them, Well, that will officially wrap up this video for today. So thank you guys always for liking, sharing, subscribing, and doing that good old stuff that every YouTuber says, right? But for reals though, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys hit the subscribe and the little bell notification on there. You guys get notified when the videos go up. Again, thank you guys. We are blessed. We are honored to do work for you and get everything shipped out to you guys in a timely manner. So thank you guys always. Time to go out to Utah, and we'll see you guys on the next video.